Managers are made, not born. Introduction to the course. Effective, high-quality management is key to organizational success. No matter what your industry, your organization needs to have skilled managers in place to be the best it can be. But managers don't just appear out of nowhere, equipped with the skills to succeed. Managers need to be developed. And while your organization is likely to do a mix of external hiring and internal promotion, taking the time to develop new managers from within the organization is a worthwhile time investment. There are several strategies that can help you develop new managers, which ensures not just the success of individual employees but of the organization as a whole. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. At the end of this workshop, participants should be able to discuss strategies for developing new managers, understand the importance of defining a clear management track, determine core roles and competencies for managers, understand the importance of continuous development for managers, apply the principles of manager development to your own organization. Introduction. While it may seem that management skills come naturally to some people, in reality management is a set of skills which can be learned. Perhaps the most important part of developing new managers is giving them opportunities to develop key management skills, empowering them to take charge of their professional development, and providing chances for them to apply what they have learned. Developing new managers is a continuous process. Managers must be developed. Asking an employee to make the transition from a non-managerial role to a managerial one without taking the time to develop him or her is a recipe for failure. When new managers struggle, it is more often than not a result of underdevelopment, not lack of talent or potential. While some skills may come more easily to some people than others, managers must be developed. Even the most talented employee won't be successful if he or she is expected to jump into a managerial role unprepared. And new manager development is to start long before an employee is poised to step into a new job. Having a process in place to develop new managers and support them as they transition into their new roles ensures not only the success of individual managers, but of your organization as a whole.